2026 BMW Motorhome is not just another entry into the luxury RV space, it's a bold statement of innovation, performance, and futuristic living on wheels. Built with BMW's signature engineering excellence and refined design language, this motorhome redefines what it means to travel in comfort and style. As more consumers seek mobile lifestyles that don't compromise on luxury, BMW has responded with a machine that combines intelligent mobility with the kind of elegance usually reserved for high-end hotels and performance sedans. Asterisk at first glance, the exterior design is unmistakably BMW. The kidney grille, although reimagined for a motorhome, carries that iconic familiarity. Framed by sleek LED matrix headlights that give the front a striking visual presence. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic precision, utilizing lightweight carbon aluminum composite panels that reduce overall weight without sacrificing durability. Flush door handles, integrated solar panels on the roof, and retractable side mirrors all contribute to a futuristic silhouette that balances aesthetics with function. Even the wheels are specially designed to reduce drag while enhancing grip, making this motorhome not only beautiful but also efficient on the highway. Asterisk underneath the surface. The 2026 BMW Motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain that integrates a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine with dual electric motors. Together, they generate over 600 horsepower, allowing this luxurious giant to accelerate with surprising agility. The vehicle comes with an intelligent all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, ensuring smooth handling on various terrains, from smooth highways to gravel roads near remote campsites. BMW's predictive chassis control system uses satellite data and AI algorithms to anticipate road conditions and adjust suspension settings in real time, offering a ride that feels more like a luxury sedan than a traditional RV. Asterisk inside. The motorhome delivers an unmatched sense of luxury and space. The interior is crafted with sustainably sourced materials, recycled wood veneers, vegan leather seating, and smart fabric walls that adjust in opacity based on lighting and privacy needs. The open-plan layout includes a living area with a modular couch that converts into a bed, a high-tech kitchen with induction cooking and voice-activated controls, and a full bathroom with a rain-style shower and smart glass that tints for privacy. BMW's iHomos, an extension of their iDrive system, runs the entire cabin, controlling climate, lighting, entertainment, and even the aroma diffuser, which offers curated scent profiles designed to match your route or mood. Asterisk the motorhome's tech suite is just as impressive. A panoramic augmented reality windshield displays navigation, traffic updates, and environmental conditions directly in the driver's field of view. Passengers can use touchscreens embedded into the furniture or even rely on voice and gesture controls to operate the system. The motorhome also features BMW's next-gen autonomous driving system, allowing for hands-free cruising in designated zones. While parked, the vehicle transforms into a full living space, complete with deployable side wings that expand the interior footprint by nearly 30%, offering more room for relaxation or entertaining guests. Asterisk BMW has also integrated cutting-edge sustainability features. The solar roof powers auxiliary systems during the day, while a regenerative energy system captures heat and kinetic energy to supplement battery charging. Water recycling tech and air purification systems make living not only possible, but genuinely comfortable. With a range of over 800 miles on a full charge in tank, this motorhome is built for long-distance adventures without constant stops. Asterisk perhaps the most compelling aspect of the 2026 BMW Motorhome is its ability to merge performance, luxury, and smart technology into a single, cohesive travel experience. It isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle tool for those who refuse to choose between mobility and refinement. As the boundaries between home and travel continue to blur, BMW's latest innovation proves that the journey can be just as comfortable and exhilarating as the destination.